We're talking about staying independent as you age, remaining in your home. It's known as aging in place.
Yeah, most people want to, but are not necessarily prepared. Deb Marcello is joining us with more on how to prepare for just that.
Good morning.
So when I bought my house 6 or 7 years ago, we got a ranch, which we thought about, like, after we bought it, we're like, this is perfect. No stairs for us to go up and down as we get older because, you know, we want it to be our forever home.
Yes.
A lot of people don't put that thought process in, especially if you're on the younger side. You're not really thinking about, you know, later years in life.
You're not even thinking about, well, this home can be perfect for me as I get older. But I have to say, the older generations with buying their house, they knew that they were going to stay there for the rest of their life.
Yeah.
A lot of times, people our age, maybe we're buying a different house, moving into different areas, but older people would think about perhaps buying a ranch. But to prepare right now and help your parents or grandparents prepare is a really important thing. So, you know, we were talking about homes, making sure that you have either home modifications in place or research now. So what I suggest is come up with folders on your computer, hard copies, whatever it is, with certain categories that we can talk about to make sure you have all of this information ready. So it's not that you're trying to do all of this in a crisis situation. So the home modifications, things like making sure that it's accessible or knowing where to buy a ramp or have a ramp built, where you want to have grab bars placed and things like that. Maybe that zero clearance shower that is easy to get in and out of too.
Yeah, garage accessibility as well, maybe getting from the car into the garage, into the house.
That's always a concern, honestly, when I go to people's homes to take a look at that, to make sure it's a safe transition up into their home.
Yeah.
What are some of the little things that people may not think about? You mentioned things like grab bars or that kind of roll-in shower. What are some of those things that people don't necessarily think about, but they may end up needing?
Sometimes it's simple, such as if you need to walk through the home with a walker, making sure that the flooring is easy to glide onto with the walker.
Carpet.
Yeah, if the old carpet is, it's a trip hazard, if it's long, shaggy carpet, or even has a big pad underneath. So making sure you have flooring that, even if it's carpet, maybe low pile, that kind of thing.
Deb, we are out of time. Where can people go for more information?
HappieratHome.com, or they could call us at 633-5555.
Perfect.
Yes.
Thank you so much.